everyone, all the beautiful people. Akshay Rajshekaran here, coming from this beautiful place at Goa. And right now I'm just going to tell you exactly how you can get high ticket clients. A lot of people have asked me organically how do we get like clients without running any paid ads, and I'm going to tell you without beating bush, like show you exact framework so that you can get high ticket clients organically without running any paid ads. The number one most important pillar in organic attraction marketing is profile optimization, like your personal brand. You people remember you because of what things you do, right? Always optimize your profile. The better you optimize your profile, the better the content you can reach to the more people. It's all about like optimizing your profile and write in your bio telling that exactly what you do. Like example, I help niche to get results by dash by my offer. Don't try to target everyone and anyone in the world. If you think your niche is like everyone and anyone, trust me, like still it's like very difficult to succeed. Always get started with a micro niche, like a small niche, right? And that's how like you will be able to grow. And like find out the target audience, like really good at, like what is that one thing which you're really good at, and it is like much easy for you to position yourself as an expert at one thing than 100 different things. And people also want to learn from experts who are good in one thing or like three things, and that's why it is like so important for you to optimize your profile so that like people will come to know exactly what you do. Number one is like profile optimization, and second thing is, as I have said, like niche. I help niche to get results dash by my offer, and it should be like very specific about what you do. Once after these two things are done, your featured section, like the featured images, it should be like super clear. You have to tell like the testimonials, the case studies, the social proof, or like you meeting some celebrities, marketers, where like people come to you when they see you for the first impression. They have to come to know exactly what you do, right? Because no one knows you from the birth or like from childhood. People's attention span right now is like too less. You have to keep that in your mind, and like you always have to work based on that. The only way how you will be able to grow and know is post the things what your audience want. Nobody cares about who I am or like who you are. They only care about themselves, especially in business, right? People only care about themselves, right? Always make sure that what value you can add to your customers and like you can help them. Once after like you identify your customers what they want, post it. Then have a content plan. A lot of people suck when it comes down to like consistency. Consistency is the most important key ingredient. It doesn't matter if you are smart, not smart, nothing matters. It's all about like consistency. When you are consistent every single day, showing up, making videos, regardless of the days are good, bad, warm, hot, all those things. Just you have to be consistent enough. Show up every single day. Small improvements, small actions, like every day, like a small step by step action can help you to reach your goals, right? Every day you have to be consistent. Make sure that tomorrow is better than today. Like three things: always be improving, documenting, show what you are doing to people, right? It's all about like generating more trust and like building great relationship with people. If you do it in the right place, trust me, like you will be able to grow like so fast, right? A lot of people tell organic marketing is dead. If you don't do it the right way, everything is going to be dead. You have to be consistent enough and post like results, case studies, value posts, value bombs, right? The more value you post and connect with the targeted audience whom you think like you can really help them out. And one more thing which I want to tell you: no matter how much content you have, videos you post, if you don't have your target audience, like your friends, targeted friends, it is very difficult to generate sales. The only way how you can get like more conversions also is like you have to add the right quality friends, right? See, trust me, like really, if you want to grow, like you have to add like more business friends, like the people whom you can help them out, right? See, as a student, as a school or a college, like when you come, like all majority of your friends will be like your friends, classmates, or like family members, right? Of course they're great. I still grateful for my friends, But when it comes down to business, like really if you want to see the transactions happening, like people ask me, hey man, how do you close clients, right? It is very simple. I just focused on the international clients, right? I have added them. See, you are the average, right? Like always make sure that like you always start posting more content which is helpful for your audience, which is genuinely which can help them to transform their life. By doing this like consistently, like you will be able to grow whole together like next level. It's all about like very simple. You just have to follow the frameworks, consistency, every single day, small actions leads to massive results. I know like so many successful people, like 3 years, 5 years back, no one was knowing them. By doing like consistently small actions, they're able to scale up. And henceforth, like I'll be just concluding this video by telling you the number one most important is like your profile optimization, great cover photo, profile image, and like your bio. And the fourth is like your featured section, and start posting more content. And by doing this, like you will be able to get like more reach, like more awareness. The more people you come, like people get to know about you and your offer, the more people are going to take and buy your things, right? And it's all about building relationship with people. And if you do it right, trust me, like you will be able to get like so many clients, and like you will be able to help them out. And let me know what is your biggest takeaway in the video below. And thank you so much everyone for watching. Have a great day. Namaste. Bye bye.